Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Sign into the account that owns the contacts and make sure synchronization is on. Once done, export or backup contacts to a cloud or a VCF file so you can restore if needed. Next, check which account is the default and confirm app permissions for contacts access. Doing these items now prevents data loss and speeds the reset process. Follow the next steps to change settings safely and deliberately. You navigate into contact settings or the app's preferences and locate sync and account options. Once there, reset sync by toggling it off then on to force a refresh and explicitly set the desired default account for new contacts. Make mapping and visibility changes, show or hide specific accounts, adjust labels, and update merge rules to resolve duplicates. These detailed steps reconcile where contacts live and how they're displayed. Ensuring changes, you finish by forcing a manual sync and verifying that contacts appear correctly across devices. If contacts are missing or wrong, restore from the VCF backup or cloud snapshot you made earlier. Make sure to test adding a new contact to confirm the default account is used. If syncing errors persist, clear the app cache, remove and re-add the account, then retry. This single troubleshooting tip, restore then re-add, fixes most issues without losing data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.